Hello. Hello, everybody. I'm Austin. This is my special partner, Willie. And we are going to be playing in his basement with a toy helicopter. It's gonna be lots of fun. We're probably gonna get hit in the head.
Okay,
Gonna be lots
first
of
I guys want to show you that it's
Show your head.
No, whatever. First it's gonna be like right here, then we're gonna try to fight and go from there. So if you guys are gonna watch this for
Wee. Oh, that might be his grandma. Okay.
It's alright. Okay, so
Okay, we're gonna start now.
Okay. Yeah, this is the helicopter. Here's the remote. And so Austin's gonna put it on my head. Austin. Okay. We're gonna take this to school tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, we are.
You guys see? It's on. Stop. Tight.
Okay, ready?
You ready?
Okay, how about I do it? How about I do it?
Just do it on my head.
No,
No,
that would.
The girls are laughing. Okay. No.
Give me blood.
Wait.
Okay, do fist, come on.
Okay.
Just fly the dang thing. Don't tell me it's out of batteries.
It can't be. Hold on, guys. We're having some difficulties right now.
It's his fault.
Oh yeah, thanks, Tice.
He's the moron.
Tice says you all are stupid, especially Haley.
What?
This kid, I'm just.
Moron. Anyways, when he means technical difficulties, he means it's all his fault, and he really screwed up, right, Willie?
Shut up. Yep, we got what. She's back online.
Great. Okay.
Okay, hold it.
How about I do it? Okay.
No, just
So
hold it.
you don't know how to fly anything.
Okay. Okay, guys, here we go. It's our back. Ready? Oh my, it might be broke.
You did this.
Okay.
The video was
Guys, we are going to be pausing, so we'll be back in. No, just keep it on. Hold on, we got something else to do.
something else to do.
Really?
Hey, what up? Austin Tice. They just call me Tice because it's Austin or that way. Are you charging it serious?
Okay, guys, it needs charge, so watch this video of me and Austin being stupid. You can see me and Austin been throwing the ball around when this didn't charge. When this been charging, well, this. Ow!
Corn dog.
We're taking this. Okay, so yeah,
I'm
watch
sorry.
this being stupid, and he's a retard. Okay, here we go. Get over this. Yeah, that thing. Got it. They can't see you. Come on. So that's what we're doing. Me and Austin's being stupid. Oh, it's ready. Well, that was quick. Okay, guys, we are back. And we are ready to roll. And yes, we are.
You
Okay.
suck. Can I drive it now?
Okay. As you see, now here we go.
Now remember, right here, look.
Sorry about that.
Come on now.
I think we broke it.
What do you mean you broke it?
We broke it.
We. What does
We
mean?
broke it.
I guess it's broken. Technically.
We're having some
Not difficulty.
What did you do to me?
I will bite his finger off later.
Aw, you little puppy. Okay, guys, we're gonna leave this